This is Donovan Horton, and welcome to the Falmouth Artisan Village. You're just in time to be a part of the groundbreaking development of tourism right here in the town of Falmouth. I am one of the many shop owners that is located in the Falmouth Artisan Village. It is a creative brainchild of the Tourism Enhancement Fund that is bringing multitude of artisans to showcase their skill and their talent. The only hope of preserving Jamaica's rich artisan culture. I represent Signature Fruits, or simply put, Sig Fruit. We are a laser engraving company that focuses on coconuts, metals, wood, plastic, and glass. So we're bringing in what tourism circles call a bespoke moment. The impetus of this business started in 2023. Business partner Patrick Strickland and myself, finance and my 20-odd years of tourism has created and embarked upon this wonderful journey. Why should you choose to be a part of the Sig Fruit experience? Well, simply put, it's personalizing items curated with the best minds in place to bring a quality guest experience. We welcome you on this journey. Sig Fruit is located right here in the Falmouth Artisan Village. We're the only one of its kind right here in the village. And we welcome you into our home. So follow back on me as I take you on this magical journey inside the Artisan Village. Welcome. So the village is actually built colonial style, 18th century Falmouth, when sugar was king. And this town was the epicenter of the British sugar industry. At any given day, we used to have up to 20 ships waiting in the Falmouth Harbor, waiting for the liquid gold to take back to Europe. The design is melted up with cobblestone walkways, British lamp poles, gingerbread shops, and all the streets lined with palm trees, the royal palm, showcasing the wealth, fantasy of what Falmouth was in the 18th century. Come on in. So we have a multitude of small gingerbread shops, which is giving you that qualitative guest experience. Food, entertainment, culture, and craftsmanship. This is what you'll get. On any given day, you'll find me on my favorite spot right here in the village. I call it the Link Up Vibes. So bring your crew and come on over to what we do. We call it the Link Up Vibes. Come on in. So many shops dotting right across the village. Talented Jamaicans, authentic Jamaican products, built with natural products showcasing the slowly dying craftsmanship trade. We welcome you into our home, which is right here in the village. It is the next best thing as it will create magic right here in Falmouth Artisan Village. Glory to the village. In rural Jamaica, the village was a closely knit program. And we inside the village, we work together to ensure that the guest experience is one that everyone enjoys. If you're from big foreign or little foreign, we welcome you into the Artisan Village.